wish we could be there to personally say this to you.
From the bottom of our hearts.
We want to say
Maraming salamat po.
Arigatou gozaimasu.
Thank you, sir.
Maraming salamat po.
Maraming salamat po.
Thank you, sir.
Maraming salamat po.
Arigatou gozaimasu.
Thank you very much, Mr. Nakano.
Maraming salamat po.
Thank you, sir Nakano.
Thank you, Mr. Nakano.
Thank you, sir Nakano.
Arigatou gozaimasu.
Thank you, sir.
Maraming salamat po.
Thank you, Sir Nakano.
Itsumo arigatou gozaimasu.
Maraming salamat po.
Maraming salamat po.
Thank you, sir. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you, sir.
Maraming salamat. Maraming salamat po. Thank you, sir. Arigatou gozaimasu.
Maraming salamat po.
Maraming salamat.
maraming salamat po.
Arigatou gozaimasu.
Maraming salamat po.
Arigatou gozaimasu.
Maraming salamat po.
Thank you, sir.
On behalf of Electrical and Control Group Dispatch Engineers, we would like to wish you a good luck in your new assignments. For being a president of JFE Techno Manila, we also thank you for being with us. Minasan.
Domo arigatou gozaimasu.
We wish you all the best.
And may God bless you always.
From Industrial System Group Dispatch members.
From JFETM Dispatch members.
From JFETM dispatch members.
From JFETM dispatch members.
Usog bang konti dito?
We wish we could be there to personally say this to you.
Ang haba naman.
Okay lang. Game. Okay.
In behalf of Electrical and Control Group,
We wish you could be there to personally say this.